Honestly, these rocks are so incredible. Like, how did they even get here? It's crazy. There's so many of them too, and they're all stacked up. We're climbing a pretty steep upgrade right now, and I can definitely feel the pressure in my ears. They're starting to pop. They're getting muffled. Chuck's going kind of slow right now. She's fighting, but she's getting up there. Like, look at all these rocks. Boulders. That's awesome. I've never seen something like this before, honestly. That's crazy. So I'm actually genuinely curious. If somebody knows, let me know in the comments down below. How do all these rocks form like this? I'm assuming it's from the sea level. The sea level used to be up here and all the water erosion, but if someone has a scientific explanation, just let me know down in the comments, please. I would appreciate it. This is just incredible. I've never seen so many rocks like piled up in one spot like this for miles. So it says this place is called Boulder Creek. I feel like that's an understatement. That was honestly incredible back there. But yeah, guys, that's one of the many reasons why I like California so much. I mean, you just don't see this in every state. It's pretty awesome if you ask me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I plan to keep sharing more like that, so I'll catch you in the next one.